Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. So here we have to scroll down to find this ringtone and alert sounds, and here we've got two options connected with the ringtone. They are divided between two different SIM cards. So let me show you how to change the ringtone. For example, for the first SIM card, it doesn't really matter. This operation looks the same for both. So just tap on the specific SIM card, and here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the very bottom we've got this option Add Ringtone, and after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here or in any other folder, for example in the downloads, and then you will be able to tap on it and set it as a ringtone. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and then decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I'd like to set this lakeside as my ringtone. So all we have to do is to tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.